Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes.
Good morning, good timers. So while everybody else in Vegas is asleep right now, we're gonna go hit the pool. It's about 8 a.m. So nobody should be there, hopefully. And by the time they wake up, we're all gonna be out of the pool and on the Vegas Strip.
All the old people will be.
That's right, all the old people might be down there like us, but other than that, it's just gonna be us, hopefully. So we'll see you down at the Elara pool. All right, good timers, here at the Elara pool area. As you can see, they have a full bar over there with some nice cold mixed slushy drinks. Everybody loves those while in Vegas. But nice pool area they got here. This actually used to be a different timeshare property until Elara bought it. Used to be part of Planet Hollywood as well, which is probably why the pool area is so nice. But we're gonna hop into the pool here and take a little dip. So Simone, tell everybody what you just said.
I just said that I think that doesn't sound good when you say it that way, does it?
What?
I just said I think I'm as white as can be here.
You might be the whitest person here.
I'm so pale.
I mean, yeah, I mean, they can be misinterpreted, I guess, but you're the most pale person here. The most pale person here, because you're from Maine.
Yeah.
Not because you're the most whitest person here, but yes, because you're from Maine, you're the most pale person here. Yeah, I mean, you do kind of resemble a beach towel, but or one of these white chairs that are over there. If you sat on a white chair, we might not be able to find you. So it's a good thing you're wearing the black top.
That's right. So
Yep.
The contrast.
Exactly. All right, guys, we are here at the Peppermill, waiting about an hour and a half, they said, but we got Elvis playing for us in the background, so hey, it's Vegas. All right, guys, you see part of the crew coming now. They're all looking a little worse for wear this morning, except Kino. Kino always has this strange power of recovery that I'm not sure how he does it, but the rest of the group, they look like they need to sit down, actually. Too bad for them, they gotta wait another hour. Yeah, Kino must have a liver of steel.
Why are you copying my swag?
I know, we all got the swag on. Yeah. Hello, morning. Morning.
What did you get?
Should we whisper good morning?
Oh, we didn't get a picture.
Yeah, good morning. All right, guys, so we did make it into the Peppermill finally after about an hour and a half wait. Unfortunately, the rest of the gang is way down there somewhere. The rest of us are over here, so say hello to Walt and Tina.
How y'all doing?
And Elvis. Simone's using the ladies' room. Anyway, we're gonna get some food here. All right, guys, so they finally worked it all out. We are now sitting together, as you can see, down the line. You got these guys over here as well. There we go. Although there is one person missing still. Oh, she's not even sure she's coming yet. Okay, what's the over-under? We got a 50-50 chance. I'm giving it an 80-20 chance. Yeah. All right, guys, food and drinks have arrived. A little espresso martini action there for Simone. Walter, of course, got himself a margarita, I'm guessing. And a whiskey margarita, of course. All right, of course, yeah. Little Bloody Mary action for Tina down there. So for our meal, guys, you get the Joe's San Francisco Special, which is loaded up with some spinach and onions, some ground beef, ground sausage, and it's on a bed of really crispy hash browns, dumped with a bunch of cheese sauce right on top. You've had this before, and it's pretty filling, but excellent. All right, Simone, what do you think of the martini? It's good. All right, as good as the espresso martini that you had yesterday from Bellagio?
Better. Not as good as the one from that fancy place in Paris.
Yep.
That one was the best.
All right, but pretty darn good. All right. All right, guys, Cinnamon has finally showed up here just in time for clean up the leftovers here from Kino Kid and Christina and Candy. So, just perfect timing. I don't know if she's going to try to drink the rest of Christina's drink also or what, but nice. Yep, she is. So she's having leftover drinks, leftover nachos. Nice. Salad? No, I'm good, thanks. I'm trying to cut down on my salad. Yeah, there you go. All right, guys, melting on the way over to Resorts World. Just finished up at the Peppermill. We lost Walter and Tina. They're being Uber drivers right now for some folks. And yeah, Cinnamon and Christina somewhere behind us. Kinos are gonna go give us the tour of Resorts World because they're the only ones that have actually been there so far.
So Jason wants us there at 3:30.
Alright guys, here at Resorts World, and we're not doing too bad. Just had a little bonus here that was random, and we just got $35 off it. A couple minutes ago I had another bonus that I got $45 off from. But right now we're at a total of $110.45, so there we go. We're about $40 ahead here at Resorts World. Alright guys, heading out of Resorts World now. $33 up, so not too shabby for the first gambling of the day. Back in the Lucky Dog Suite here, guys. Just waiting on the group pool to start downstairs. And Jason's cracking open some shots for everybody. What did you say about that, Simone?
Wait, I'll take a sip again.
What is that, 99?
It's pure
99 pineapple?
pure lacquer stuff.
Root beer would be what I would drink if I was drinking it, but...
Man, please make some. Man, please have a shot. Yes.
Okay, there you go.
This all came from near and far. Love you. Let's hopefully we all win tonight.
Cheers, Lucky Dogs.
Cheers.
Bring back. It's good. Oh, he loves it.
Oh, that's really good. I mean, until it starts to burn in the nostrils. But before that, it was really good.
Let's go.
Yeah. How'd you like that?
Catches on her way up right
Hold on,
now.
this is good stuff.
Virginity.
How'd you like that, huh? Do you feel it?
Oh yeah.
I see it burns a little bit in the nose and then...
Burns a lot.
Here's the funny part.
Yeah. All right.
Wow.
Wow, all right. Oh my gosh. We're going to film this.
Can you believe it?
Simone, what are you drinking right now? Kino. What is that?
It's Malort, fresh from Chicago.
Chicago made.
Yeah, so you know what's good.
Yeah.
Because
All
all
right.
good things, you know, come from Illinois.
We don't know what Malort is, but you might want to sip.
You don't know what it is.
You might want to sip.
No, don't sip, just hammer it. Malort.
You don't want to... Oh, that's good stuff. Yeah? Is that better than 99?
It actually doesn't burn as much as the
No,
regular.
Wow.
no,
All right.
no,
But it's
nothing
good.
burns.
What's up, everybody? Howlpalooza.
the elevator.
Welcome.
All right, guys, I'm all the way waiting. Jason's mom is killing it on her machine. She's getting quite the payout here with this one. Still waiting on Jason and Brandon's live feed group pull, but this is going great over here with Jason's mom. Oh, here you go again. Go again. Keep it going. Nice. Another good one right there. Hopefully some of this luck rubs off. Come on. 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, 5.
That's all right.
Very nice. One more spin.
Hey, good timers. The Lucky Dog family has struck a good.
Yeah. Woo! Runs in the family. We hope. Nice win. All right. Nice. That's right. That's right. Nice. Woo! Hand pay. Hand pay. All right, guys. So we are on the move, getting ready for the Lucky Dogs group pull. Hopefully, we have as much luck as Jason's mom just did within that hand pay. That was awesome to see. Love to see people winning hand pays. Love it even more if it was me, but hey, it was still really cool to see that anyway. So we'll update you guys here as soon as the group pull is done, I guess. Come on! All right, two left. All right, guys, it's Simone's chance here. I sure as hell didn't do very well on the group pull, so we're hoping for some better luck here from Simone. No pressure for Simone, no pressure. All right. Here we go, Simone. Oh! Oh! Come on! All right. Here we go. All right, well. All right, last chance. Come on, no. All right. We're gonna go around. Don't worry, I can't go that fast right now, so you're good. We're still going, yeah, do whatever you want to do. We're moving.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
I think I just touched Simone's butt.
Yeah, all right, you're not quite there yet. You're almost done. Almost done. All right, I think that's it.
That's it?
That's it. All right.
360.